I wanted my cats to have the freedom of the outdoors, but I wasn't about to risk their lives to do it, so I built this. Hey everyone, welcome to the Review Hub at Shelly Rosa Reviews. I'm Shelly Rosa, and today we're going to be reviewing a Catio, also known as a cat enclosure. I just recently completed an 850-mile move, and at my previous house, my cats had a Catio, and they were able to enjoy the outdoors 24 hours a day. And I wanted them to have the same experience here, especially since the weather is so much nicer. So I decided to build another Catio. It gives me peace of mind that they're always safe and that they're enjoying their little kitty lives and all that the outdoors has to offer. So here's what I did.
Step one was I had a contractor come and cut a hole in my sunroom wall and insert a pet door for me. Then I ordered this dog kennel. So this is a relatively low height dog kennel. I think it's like 29 or 30 inches. And the reason why I got something so low is because it sits outside of my sunroom and I did not want a high structure blocking my view when I'm in my sunroom. That's where my office is as well. I put brick pavers in there, secured it down with U-clamps or U-bolts. I'm not sure what they're called. This particular dog kennel came with a metal grated roof, which doesn't help for protection from the elements like rain. So I just got a couple of polybicarbonate roof panels and added them on. I still need to finish the front. As you can see, the front's still unfinished. I just put some 2x4s down across the top of the kennel just to help hold the weight, like if it rains, just to help hold the weight of the water if it doesn't drain properly. So this is kennel or Catio number 1. I have 2 cats that really don't get along, so I wanted to create an extra space for the cats to go so they're not all crammed into the same Catio. So the way that I did that was I ran out of space here. As you can see, that's the next nook of my house, and then over here is the gas meter. So I was in a situation where I just couldn't continue building out because over on this side it's the door to get into the sunroom. So what I decided to do was build a tunnel and then add an additional Catio. So the way I built this tunnel, it was so easy. I just cut a hole with some wire snips, just cut a hole into the side of this Catio. I got 4 Rubbermaid shelving units, so they're like the little shelves, the wire shelves. They were 12 inches deep. I think 9 inches deep would have been actually perfect, but I couldn't find them. So these were 12 inches deep, and I did cut them down to be about 10 inches deep. I kind of, rigged them up a little bit, so it's not perfect looking. From far away, it looks a lot better. But all I did was just create a square with them, and then just use zip ties to hold them together and created a tunnel. And then it leads into this one, where I cut a hole into the side of this Catio. I added resin pavers in here. And then I have this Catio with Willy's in there. He's the one who gets bullied by my other cat, Sydney. But this one did come with a roof. It doesn't come with the floor, but it does come with the roof, so he gets to stay out here as often as he wants to. Here comes the bully. That's the bully, sleeking through. I love this Catio. I think it's so pretty. The only thing I would say about this particular one is the wood is very soft, so it damages easy when you're putting it together. Like if you put in a screw too hard, it splits the wood. Okay, well that's how I built my Catio. I hope you found it helpful. And if you did, please like the video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.